Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to change your cursor color in Windows 11. So let's get started. So firstly go to start menu. Here you will type for settings. Tap to open it. From left panel click on accessibility. Scroll down and select mouse pointer and touch. Under mouse pointer style you will see the different colors: black, inverted, custom color. Here are the recommended colors. You can change which you like it, or click on choose another color. Here you can select or create any of your color, then click on done. That's it. You can choose this color is your own. That's it. Your cursor color will change instantly. That's how you change your cursor color in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.